See here the steel spring. For the steel spring, the graph is linear. What it means, as we are increasing the weights, the steel spring extension is also increasing. Now look for the 2. The weight is
Okay.
2 Newton. What is the corresponding extension? It is 40 millimeter.
The
Now
steel
I
spring, yeah.
yeah. Now I increase the weight from 2 to 4.
Yeah.
Now can you tell me what's the extension?
It's 80 millimeters, so
So
it's quite linear.
yeah, it's 80 millimeter. So that means by increasing the weight, the extension is also increasing. But so that there is one law, Hooke's law. So what is Hooke's law? Hooke's law state that as we are increasing the weight or as we are increasing the force, the extension is also increasing. That means the weight is directly proportional to the extension.
Okay.
Okay, but there's one thing also you have to consider, proportionality. Okay,
Yeah.
so as we like if we apply so much force, too much force, that after one point the spring break down. Particular point, at a point after which the Hooke's law is not a weight. I will write now the mathematical equation of Hooke's law. It is force.
Is it just like the stretchiness ability? Like how stretchy can it be?
Yeah, how much force you are applying and how much the object is extending or how much it is stretching. So E is, its extension. So you can find the spring constant from here. What your spring constant will be? It is force divided by extension,
Oh
right?
yeah.
So how much force we are applying and how much by applying that force we are getting the extension. How much extension we are getting by applying how much force. Spring, and what is the soft spring?
A
Who's
softer spring will have a greater spring constant.
so okay. Spring constant means how much more force we have. Okay, if we have to apply more force, that means the spring constant will be more. So in order to stretch this spring, the stiffer spring, we have to apply more force. So if the force is more, then the k, that is spring constant, will be more. So that means for the stiffer spring we have more spring constant. So F is
Force is
Newton
newtons.
and extension, we let's say it's meter,
Oh,
because
Newton per meter squared.
yeah, so Newton per meter. Next one, the extension of the stretch spring.
Extension of the stretch spring is like how much extra distance are you getting when you pull the string from its original state?
Yeah, so the increased in length in its original length is the extension of stretch spring.